Good morning, Foresters. Welcome back to another one of my videos. For those who are wondering, I'm from Forest, Ohio, and I chose to call my subscribers Foresters. Let's go. All right, this is the kitchen before. I will be putting caulk, all the white caulk around here, the sides, this side here, you can't see the corner, and then clear caulk around the sink. And I did put a second coat, thicker coat, again, because the water was still going through from the first coat. And I wish that they had a bigger brush so I can kind of make smooth lines, because you can still see from my brush strokes, I had to use a tiny brush, you can still see it all along the countertops, both sides. But from here, you can't see it. Up close, you can see it. I'm putting the drawer pulls on today too. Only on the bottom because that's the amount I have. So I'll still have to buy some for the top. Yes, $13.99, and I still don't have enough. This kitchen will get done. If you guys forgot, I left that open in case it'll be, hoping it'll be easier for me to pull all that off. And even though it's torn, this will be hiding behind Shanice. So it is what it is. And I can't find my cutter. I'm thinking I accidentally threw it away with all the pieces I had left here. I threw all those out. And I'm thinking I stuck it back in the bag and threw it away with the bag. So I'm annoyed, but let's get this kitchen somewhat together. And I really do appreciate you guys sticking around and following me and watching me grow, get better at things. Although my videos I had to update aren't the same, you can't really hear everything because I had to mute most of it. It was just a mess. But hopefully using YouTube library music stops that, and I don't have to update any more of my content. All right, let's get her done. Enough procrastinating, Loretta. Had to hop in the car to go to Ace Hardware to get screws that would actually fit the knobs. Yeah, I don't have the receipt for the first time I came, but I do for the second. But I'm still bringing them just to see if they can switch it out and I can pay the extra. Thought I'd catch you up on that. There it is. Let's go. So pretty. Well, I have to go back home to get the old screws, and I knew I should have brought them, but I'm glad I just live a hop, skip, and a jump from Ace Hardware. So I am going to get this done today because I've got plans. I'm about to go see my sister Sunday. All right, let's get it done. I don't know. I couldn't get those two unscrewed, so I'm gonna have to figure something else out for those, but this is how it's looking so far. Ugh, that flooring is just, ugh. I still feel like I'm outside. But caulking's all done. I thought this was clear, but no, it said clear, but it's white. Oh, I see it's drying. I see it now. Oh, I didn't know. See, I should have read the instructions, but I just figured all of them are the same. Lesson learned. Okay, so Shanice will get put back in here once the caulking's all dry. And I can get my kitchen back in order. Yay! I just got to figure out. You guys have any ideas? Let me know in the comments, please. Subscribe! My lovely niece just finished my hair.
Did you want a hair tie?
No, I'm going to stick it back in my thing. Why am I getting my hair done with long hair? I'm going to Arizona in the hot weather, 100-degree weather. Huh? So Mona can laugh at me? All right, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Finally got this taken care of where I'm not worried about it anymore. Yes, I cut that off too. I still have to figure out what to do with that. I was thinking maybe two bigger flowers, white and gold, that can pop on there or something. I don't know. I'll just have to keep looking around. That's still my nemesis. Still feel like I'm outside, but it's still hard for me to find the type of tile I want to put in here. So I'm thinking maybe a carpet instead. So who knows? It's a work in progress. Yes, I had to put them in here. Just wanted to show you guys my Garfield. I'm going to put them back up. Just afraid I'm going to break them, you know. Today, I looked at a new condo. Stinking cute. Okay. I had to put a butterfly on there to try to take away some of that ugliness, that color. I don't even know what kind of color you want to call that. And then this is a little... Man, I can't even open it. All right. That's why I'm trying to pull sideways. I should pull backwards. Just put something... I don't know what you would put in here, but... It's just a little magnetized thing. Looks like a teacup. Got a butterfly on the spoon. Got this from Hobby Lobby. I think it was probably $9. I got this from Walmart. No idea. Walmart. I made these from the Dollar Tree. The pearl and then the ribbon. And I have put paint on the bottom, and I wish I didn't do that because I think it looks just tacky. But it's done. I'm like, it is what it is. Got this from Goodwill for $2.49, I think it was. And I just thought, hey, I can incorporate this in my home since it's got the colors on it. Sort of goes with Shanice. I just wanted to put Garfield there. Got these from Hobby Lobby or another place, I can't remember. Don't remember the price. It's probably $4.99 or something like that. Got this from Home Goods. Same with all of these, all from Home Goods. That you will probably remember from the living room makeover that my sister gave me. She bought that, and I just thought I needed flowers. There's still no good flowers that I've found, so I took it from the living room. It looks kind of better in here, but I was just trying to cover up. It's too kind of plain in here. But it's better looking. And then this is another one of those little magnetized things from Hobby Lobby in Findlay, Ohio here. It's not a cupcake. I didn't want a real one in here because then I'd have to eat it, and I didn't want to have all that sugar, okay? Yeah. Ta-da! So pretty. I do have pots and pans, but I just didn't want to. I do have pots and pans. I just didn't want to take them out of the box. I don't know why I didn't want to. Could have, but I was like, nah. Like I said, I'm in a rush right now. I have got to go. I'm pretty sure I'm almost late. Well, I hope you like how my kitchen turned out so far. I still have the tile to do, and I'm still trying to figure out what to put here. It's just pretty plain. And what to put here. I don't know if I want to put anything up on the soffits or not. It's on both sides, soffits. So, I don't know, just got a lot of creation going on in my head. Thoughts, going on in my head, so. Sorry you have to see me like this, but I got my hair done for my vacation this weekend. I'm gonna go see my sister Nona. Yeah, that was weird. Ew. I get it from her. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Please remember to subscribe, like the video. It helps my video get out there. If people want to watch me take forever to finish a makeover in one room, so. I hope you enjoyed and liked what I have set up. If you have more questions, please ask in the comments. Why every video? I've messed up on every video. I do it all the time. I'm fine. I'm not nervous or anything. My butterfly just fell off. Them sticky things just aren't, no, not too well. Not liking it. Of course, it is pretty hot. I don't turn on the air conditioning. You can see I'm sweating here. All right, enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the next one. Bye, Foresters. Ready? Here's the reveal. Yes, he belongs in here. See, he's got the little bag. He's ready. Today, I looked at a new condo. He's all moved in. He's ready. Yeah, I've had this for years. I don't even know how long. I don't even know if it's still good to use. But I'm not a gardener. Not good with, I don't have that green thumb, so I never used it. All right, it's a keeper.